My name is Tony Puls. I'm the General Manager of Global Exhaust Manufacturing. Global Exhaust Manufacturing was established in 2011 in Kingston, Ontario. Global Exhaust, based on market demand, will determine what the market requires. We will then bring the product in-house, reverse engineer, and then design, build a production jig, and then manufacture a direct fit catalytic converter specifically focused on the aftermarket replacement industry. A final challenge is, can we use a 4-inch tube with 2 welded end caps and produce a catalytic converter in-house without having the experience and the knowledge of doing it. At the end of the day, Lincoln Electric was the only North American supplier and manufacturer that was willing to produce a machine for us at a competitive price, so we did not have to go offshore to purchase the machine. After selecting Lincoln Electric to provide the solution for us and having to work with them all virtually due to COVID-19, they started manufacturing the machine to our specifications and requirements and delivered the machine on time in December of 2020. The potential of converters that we had to manufacture just to cover our aftermarket direct fit applications is up to 28,000 units a year. Due to the machine provided, we actually had excess capacity that put Global Exhaust in the position by which we could add a universal catalytic converter to our range as well. Part of the goal and mission of Global is to see if we can do as much as possible with North American suppliers. Working with Lincoln Electric in Mississauga fell in place or in line with what we would like to achieve is using local suppliers and manufacturers to provide solutions for the North American market. Looking at our double lathe solution that Lincoln provided us, power sources, wire feeders, lathe, accessories, everything sourced from one company really makes it easy to use and uncomplicated. We at Global Exhaust are looking forward growing with Lincoln in any future automation processes.